Hey guys, just another quick tutorial on operators in PHP. We're going to be dealing with comparison operators in this tutorial. So as it pretty much implies, comparison operators allow us to compare two values. We're going to be going over the equal operator, identical, not equal, not identical, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So as actually a lot of people don't know, um, whenever you're comparing an integer to a string, by default this string is actually converted to an integer value. So if we put any string in here, it'll automatically be set to 0. So as if you're comparing it to 0. So if we refresh this browser here, it'll return as true. Yeah, sorry, forgot to mention also, each comparison operator returns either a Boolean true or false. So in this example here, if we actually do an identical operator, refresh it, you'll get a Boolean false. So that's the main difference. If you have a equal operator, there's a chance that you can get it wrong. So again, if we do 1 equal to a string 1, actually to any string, this will actually be false because it's giving us back a 0. But if you do it to string 1, you get a true. So in most cases you don't want that. So again, if we do identical, it's going to be a false. Okay, so if we do not equal here, 1 to string 1, this will again show as a false because it's actually showing as equal to. However, if you do a string 2, it'll be true because it's not equal to this. However, again, not identical to. Again, if we do that 1, this time it'll show false. Sorry, true because it's actually not identical to it. But in this case, it'll be false because it is identical to it. Less than is pretty self-explanatory. So if we do 1 less than 2, it'll be true because 1 is less than 2. 1 greater than 2. One greater than 2. It's false. Same with less than or equal to. So it's less than, so it'll come back as true. And also, if you put 1 because it's equal to, it'll come back as true. But again, if we get rid of the equal, it'll be false. Same idea with greater than or equal to. Again, going back to equal, you can do strings. That would be true. If this string, however, is different than that, it'll be false. Yeah. I believe this is also not equal to. So this should return a false because it is equal to. But if it's not equal to, it should return true. So yeah, just play around with those guys. If there's any more questions, please let me know. Usually if we were matching a type, if we're matching, we want it to be 2, just be safe and use identical rather than equal to. As you can see through this tutorial, it can be a little tricky sometimes. Okay, thanks.